Tatum 4 Black, White and Pinksicle is set to make major noise in the sneaker world as it gears up for a projected spring 2026 release at $130. Even though Jayson Tatum may miss the 2025-26 NBA season due to injury, his signature line with Jordan Brand continues to dominate courts and social feeds. This upcoming colorway stands out with its bold black upper, clean white midfoot accents, and striking Pinksicle detailing on the inner lining and full outsole. Unlike early rumors suggesting a player-exclusive vibe or floral patterns, this pair goes for a straightforward, modern design built from mixed materials for a premium feel. Sneaker fans are already buzzing as official images highlight its sharp, performance-ready look. Stay tuned for confirmed Nike release updates, as this Blink colorway is expected to be one of the must-cop drops of 2026 for hoopers and collectors alike.